Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to talk about Monday.com and how you can add Trello to your board, okay, to your workspace. Alright, so now let's jump right into the video. So if you want to add Trello, to integrate Trello with Monday.com, that's what you have to do. Click on apps. Here you see this icon. Make sure you click on this icon, apps. Please follow along with me. And then here in the search bar, please write Trello. Now what you have to do is to click on the first option, and then here we have use app. Click on use app. Now to add Trello to your board so you can track the process and see the updates of your own boards. That's what you have to do, integration with Trello. So click on now add to boards. Click on select choose a board, my contacts I'm gonna use, and now here choose a workspace, main workspace, okay? Or you can use the other workspace or my contacts and click on add. Putting everything together, creating item view. And now integrating with Trello app was added to your board successfully. So guys, congratulations, now you have integrated Trello with Monday.com. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you and take care.